Welcome back to Archithings, your go-to space for exploring the world's most fascinating architectural concepts and design inspirations. Today, we're diving deep into a stunning fusion of strength and softness, curved brutalist concrete homes. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and drop a comment below sharing your thoughts on brutalist architecture. Your support helps us keep bringing more inspiring design stories straight to your feed. Now, let's explore how architects are transforming cold, raw concrete into sculptural, fluid forms that redefine modern living spaces with monumental elegance. Brutalism emerged in the mid-20th century as a bold architectural statement, a rebellion against decorative excess and a celebration of honesty in materials. Concrete, with its raw texture and permanence, became its defining element. Originally associated with institutional and public buildings, brutalism often carried a reputation for being austere or even harsh. But modern interpretations have softened the narrative, emphasizing craftsmanship and organic form. Today's architects are revisiting brutalism through a fresh lens, blending its sculptural power with inviting curves and natural light to create homes that are both monumental and human-centered. Concrete is more than a building material, it's an artistic medium. Its ability to be molded into almost any shape allows architects to push creative boundaries while maintaining structural strength. Unlike steel or wood, concrete offers a seamless, continuous surface, perfect for smooth curves and uninterrupted lines that define these new brutalist homes. Additionally, concrete's thermal properties make it energy efficient, while its durability ensures that these homes can stand the test of time, both architecturally and aesthetically. Curves evoke movement, grace, and softness, qualities rarely associated with traditional brutalist architecture. The introduction of curves transforms these spaces into something almost sculptural, resembling living art pieces. Whether in sweeping facades, rounded interiors, or circular courtyards, curves help diffuse light, create flow, and soften the harshness of raw concrete. The result is a fascinating duality, homes that feel grounded and powerful, yet fluid and harmonious with their surroundings. Across the globe, architects are reimagining brutalism through a curved lens. From Japan's coastal villas to Mexico's desert homes, the trend is redefining modern luxury. Notable examples include Tadao Ando's poetic use of light and concrete, or Ricardo Bofill's monumental yet curvilinear creations that blend the urban with the organic. These structures showcase the universal appeal of curved brutalist design, bold yet calming, massive yet intimately connected to the human experience. Inside curved brutalist homes, traditional notions of rooms and corridors fade away. Instead, you find continuous spatial flow that encourages organic movement. Walls blend into ceilings, corners dissolve into arches. Furniture and fixtures often mimic the architecture, using soft edges and sculptural forms. This creates a cohesive aesthetic, one where interior design becomes an extension of the building's architectural language. Light interacts dramatically with curved concrete surfaces. Unlike flat planes, curves capture light in subtle gradients, adding warmth and depth to the material. Natural light glides along walls, creating ever-changing shadows that animate the home throughout the day. This dynamic relationship between light and concrete transforms these spaces into living artworks, constantly evolving as the sun moves. Today's brutalist homes often experiment with varied concrete textures, from silky smooth finishes to raw, board-formed surfaces that reveal the wood grain used in casting. These textures bring character, tactility, and depth, allowing each surface to tell its own story. Paired with warm materials like timber, brass, or natural stone, the result is a harmonious balance between industrial toughness and organic warmth. Curved brutalist homes often integrate nature directly into their architecture, whether through central courtyards, rooftop gardens, or seamless indoor-outdoor transitions. The organic shapes mirror natural forms, helping the home blend with its landscape rather than dominate. This philosophy reconnects modern living with nature's rhythms, transforming the concrete shell into a serene sanctuary. Brutalism's emphasis on durability aligns naturally with sustainability. Concrete's longevity reduces the need for constant renovation or replacement. Moreover, modern concrete formulations can include recycled materials, minimizing environmental impact. When combined with passive design strategies, such as thermal mass cooling and strategic window placement, these homes can be remarkably energy efficient. Architecture isn't just physical, it's emotional. The curves of brutalist homes create a sense of calm, enclosure, and flow that resonates deeply with our psychological need for comfort. Their monumental presence evokes awe, while their soft contours invite introspection and serenity. It's this balance of power and peace that makes curved brutalism so captivating to live in. Modern curved brutalist homes often incorporate smart home technologies discreetly, allowing convenience without compromising the architectural purity. Hidden lighting systems, embedded speakers, and automated climate controls all blend seamlessly into the concrete fabric. This integration of digital comfort within timeless design creates a home that feels both futuristic and grounded. Many of these homes feel like inhabitable sculptures, and indeed, they often draw inspiration from modern art and sculpture. Architects explore geometry, rhythm, and proportion much like artists experiment with form and shadow. In doing so, they blur the line between art and architecture, giving residents the feeling of living inside a masterpiece. Building with curved concrete requires precision engineering and expert craftsmanship. Every mold, reinforcement, and pour must be carefully planned. It's more time-consuming and costly than traditional straight-line construction, but the results speak for themselves. The complexity of execution is balanced by the timeless beauty and individuality that each home achieves. Curved brutalist spaces invite a specific approach to interior styling. Furniture with organic shapes, muted tones, and natural materials harmonize best with the architecture. Think of sculptural chairs, soft textiles, and custom-built pieces that echo the home's curvature. The result is an environment where every element feels connected, where design is not applied, but lived through. As technology advances, architects are experimenting with new materials like fiber-reinforced concrete and 3D printed molds to achieve even more fluid designs. This evolution suggests a new chapter in brutalism, one that is lighter, more sustainable, and increasingly expressive. Curved brutalism may very well define the next era of sculptural modern living, combining architectural grandeur with intimate human experience. And that wraps up our exploration of curved brutalist concrete homes. These designs prove that concrete can be both commanding and compassionate, both bold and beautifully soft. Thank you for joining us today on Archithings. If you enjoyed this deep dive into sculptural architecture, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite example of modern brutalism. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll continue to uncover the most inspiring architectural ideas shaping the world of design. Until then, stay creative, stay curious, and keep exploring architecture that moves you.